Hello all, tonight we're out for the second time with the StarQuest 102R. I'm going to give it a go on the moon, try it with the old ZWO camera as well. Just see the sunset on the horizon, so it's not properly dark at the moment. There's only one or two stars visible in the night sky, so I've just pointed them out roughly north. There's no Polaris to be seen to do a polar alignment or anything like that. Let's go ahead and open up SharpCap. There's the ZWO camera on the screen. Yeah, exposure's way too long, so let's bring that down. Keep bringing that down. And we just need to focus it now. Ooh, getting that. I do need to centre it. Okay, I've got the moon nicely lined up in the field of view of the camera. So if I go to capture and start capture, it's saying there that we've got 800 frames. So I'm going to hit start. And we'll capture 800 frames to start with, so we can stack them in Registacks later on. With a bit of luck, that will look nice, and I'll post that up in a moment if it looks okay. So you guys can see what the moon looks like through a 4-inch f5 achromat using a ZWO ASI 120mm camera. So that's finished now. It's getting a little bit darker now, so I'm just popped into Stellarium on my laptop just to see what's about. Mercury's just rising right at the bottom there. I won't be able to see that because of the neighbour's fence and the glow. If I'm out here until it gets really dark, I could have another go at DSOs with the ZWO guide cam. Don't think I'd manage that. The elephant's trunk, that might be a bit ambitious. Okay, I've moved on from the moon to trying to track down any kind of deep sky object I can. I'm pretty restricted to bright objects because of the sensitivity of the camera, and I've got to kind of manually search around the sky. I've not got any go-to capability with this mount, so after sort of systematically searching around Ursa Major with the help of Stellarium, I've stumbled across the Cigar. I just saw it as kind of like an oval smudge on 3-second exposures in SharpCap, and now I'm using the live stacking feature of SharpCap, and I've stacked about 140 frames so far at just over 4 seconds. I'm binning 2x2, capture area 1280 by 960, and I'm using 8-bit files because it seems to have a problem when I go into 16-bit, so I'm sticking to 8-bit files. You can start to see a little bit of detail coming up. I'll try and do a little bit in post-processing as well. It's getting close to midnight now, so I'm going to pack away. Hopefully I've got something to show you guys, and I'll see you on the next video hopefully, where we can see what else we can track down using this setup.